Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you an interesting part of some product function. Okay, how to pass a condition into a or condition or a criteria into a some product function. Okay, so now what we have here is that a set of items from item 1 to 14 here, and the respective prices from the supplier 1. Okay, so what my objective is to count the number of price values greater than 1000. Okay, so I want in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 products having a price value greater than 1000. Okay, first of all, what is some product function? I will tell you that what is some product function. We have a set of or array of numbers here, 1 2 3 and 2 3 4, and some product is how to achieve some product for these numbers. It is nothing but the product of first elements in each array. 1 into 2, right, plus, okay, first of all 1 into 2. Similarly for each element, multiplication of each respective elements, then finally add all those products. That's why it is called sum product. Okay, 20. We apply the sum product. Sum product of array 1 comma array 2. Okay, so if you provide two arrays, it will multiply each element of respective elements of each array and finally add all the products. Okay, so which is also 20. So this is the sum products functionality. Now what I am going to show you is that one of this array could be a condition. Okay, one of this array could be a condition, or without any array you can give a condition and do the sum. Okay, so in this case what I am going to do is I am going to find out those items prices greater than 1000, and I am going to add that. The sum part is adding that one, product part is the condition of the array. So this product part accepts a condition, and since it is accepting condition, this sum product function becomes more flexible as well as more useful function in using in the formulas. It simplifies lot of work in doing manually. Okay, and also now the if condition, usually we use if condition to conditional using conditional operators inside the if condition to compare two values or two or more values, then get true for if the condition is satisfied, false for if it is not satisfied. But that one is already done by the conditional operators. Instead of using if, the full statement of if, we just compare using the conditional operators. So this simplifies. We can pass any condition inside the sum product easily and get the result. Okay, so I'll show you what is the condition of condition is greater than 1000. How to do that? I'll show you manually first, then we will use the function. Okay, so respective elements, every element of the array is every value of the array we calculate true or false. Okay, true or false. Then this true or false need to be changed to 0 or 1. For that you can use the non-negative unary, that is double unary. Okay, if you apply double unary, automatically the true or false becomes 0 or 1s. Okay, double unary on this condition. See, it will become 0 and 1. Then you add all this, you will get sum of, add all this this array, you will get the total number of elements whose price value is greater than 1000. You automatically get, but this is nothing but a SumProduct function, because you are doing a product here, but SumProduct function accepts the product as a condition. So this condition is a product, and you are adding this. Okay, so how to do that, I will show you. SumProduct, SumProduct of now the array 1 is nothing but a condition. Okay, what is the condition? This full set of array needs to be compared and see whether it is greater than or 1000. Okay, so for each element is compared and find out whether it is greater than 1000, and this one also written with the set of elements, because it is itself, it's not a single value, it is about 14 values inside this array. So it will be written with 14 true or false. Okay, whether the first thing is false, second is false, false semicolon, false semicolon, false semicolon, then true, true, false, true, false, true, something like that. Okay, so after getting this full set of array, what we need to do is, we are not just summing up this one, we also make sure it becomes 0 and 1. So this whole set of true false must be changed into 0 and 1s by using a double unary. Then finally add everything, sum all the product. Here the product is nothing but the checking condition and multiplying with the double unary. Okay, the product is nothing but this. So amazingly it accepts only one array, and that array is summed up. But in this case, this array itself is not only the range, it's a condition. Okay, a condition applied on each element of the range, that will become true or false array. That array is again on that array we apply double unary to make it 0 or 1s. Then after that you sum it up. Okay, so this way it will become more useful, that you can apply a condition. That condition can be simple as this, or is it also complex as applying multiple comparing multiple range and get the booleans 0 and 1s, and then sum it up. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and how to send an condition inside the SumProduct argument and get the array back, because it's the SumProduct is the array formula. So it will play with one number as well as it will play with the array of numbers. Okay, so when it returns back, apply double unary and to make it 0 and 1s, and then sum it up. Okay, so hope this video is helpful to you to work on how to send a condition inside a sum product and get the value back. Okay, if you have any comments or suggestions to improve my videos, kindly leave it there, and also give a like or subscribe to my channels, or the both. And God bless you.